Hi there, today I wanted to show you how to run a program on Linux, Mac or the Windows subsystem for Linux at the background. Why is it useful? It is useful because you can detach your terminal from the script that you are executing at the background and the script will continue to run. This is especially useful when you are running a program that is taking a very long time to run, or you are running a program on a server or on the cloud. So in order to run a task on Linux at the background, there is only one thing that has to be done beforehand, and it is the installation of a program that is called screen. So one can install this program in the usual way by simply typing sudo apt-get install, and the name of the program is called screen. So I have it already installed, and you can see that it is there and the latest version of it is already present. So in order to open a screen session, we simply will have to type screen. So sometimes it works, in other times one has to also provide the sudo command before the screen, and in my case it works with the sudo prior to screen. Once I press that, there is a message from the creators of the program that we can skip by simply typing enter, and that will bring me to the location of where I'm currently residing. In order to see the full path of where I am at the moment on my Windows subsystem for Linux, I'm at my home directory. This is where normally my Linux terminal would bring me when I open it. We can check what I have in my home directory simply by typing ls/la. And for example, I want to go to one of the subfolders here to test data, let's say. I just want to show you that once you are in the screen session, you can actually go anywhere on your machine as you were on your usual Linux terminal. And once you go wherever you want to, and you, for example, run a script that you want to run that is going to take a very long time, or you are running remotely, for example, if I have a script that is called script Python, and I know that it is requiring an input that is called input file, and I want to generate an output that will be called output file. I can simply type in the command for executing this script and press enter. But if I don't want to look at the output or check in the meantime what is happening to this command and to the input and the output files, I can simply go out of the screen session by pressing at the same time Ctrl+A and D. So we are out of the screen session, but it doesn't mean that the program will stop running. It actually continues to run while we are out of the session. In order to check how many screen sessions we have opened, and for example, to reattach to a session that we would like to reattach and see what is happening with the script that we are running, we can simply type sudo screen and then ls. That will list all the screen sessions that we have running at the moment. And if we want to reattach to one, we can simply type screen and sudo, sorry for the sound, sudo beforehand, and then R. And the next thing we need to type is the ID that the screen session that we want to reattach to has. So we press enter and we are back in the folder that we just were pretending to run a script in. So again, we go out of this screen session by simultaneously pressing Ctrl+A and D. For example, if the script has already done its job and we have the output that we wanted and we would like to remove a screen session altogether, one way to do that is simply by typing sudo screen, then x s, the ID of the screen session that we would like to remove, and then quit. And if we would like to check again how many sessions we have that are detached but still they are opened with screen, we can simply sudo screen and again ls.